English news for learners. Today is August 2. Here are 3 stories from Japan. Kioxia's legal increase. Japanese memory chip giant Kioxia made a big announcement. Their profits went up a lot. This happened in the April to June quarter. Net profit reached over 840 billion yen. That is about 46 times higher than last year. The reason is the global demand for AI technologies. This highlights the massive economic boom. Artificial intelligence is changing the world economy. Kioxia is one of the world's leading flash memory makers. Next topic: Princess Aiko's visit. Princess Aiko recently visited Mie Prefecture. She went to see traditional woodwork. This wood is for a very special project. The wood will be used for the Shikinin Sengu. This is a major rebuilding project at Ise Jingu Shrine. It is one of Japan's most sacred Shinto shrines. This visit focuses on preserving ancient Japanese traditions. It draws public attention to traditional crafts. It also highlights important imperial duties. And finally, SoftBank's big investment. SoftBank and PayPay made a big announcement. They will invest 300 billion yen in 7&I Holdings. The partnership aims to use artificial intelligence. They want to make convenience store operations more efficient. This will transform the customer experience. 7&I operates 7-Eleven stores in Japan. The new technology will change daily shopping. This long-term partnership was announced on August 1. Today we learned about Kioxia's AI profits, Princess Aiko's shrine visit, and SoftBank's new investment. Keep practicing your English. Thank you for listening. See you next time.